Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today we're going to do a quick video on battery terminal maintenance. Now sometimes these can start to corrode up, and there's a few different causes for that. But if you start to see that, if it gets too bad, it actually will prevent the power from going from your battery to your lines and ultimately prevent you from starting your vehicle. So I've had a running problem with this one. I actually put all new ends on this, but this particular one seems to keep corroding up. So I keep an eye on it, and I just got to figure out what's going on. But anyway, today I'm just going to show you how to clean it up and make sure it is in good working order so you get good contact from your battery post to your connector, and then of course ultimately out to your vehicle. And one of the first things I do is I just take a wire brush, and this one's way bigger than I need, but I just clean it up, get all the loose stuff off there. Really gets right down in. These are fairly soft bristles, so they get right in there, and they get the loose stuff down in the grooves. So you don't want it too stiff so it doesn't get down in between things. Once you've done that and you've got it looking pretty good, the next thing you want to do is loosen up your terminal and remove it, especially if you have buildup down in between the bolt and the post here, because it will actually build up a fine layer between your post and your connector, and if these aren't tight, that can continue to happen. It'll build up enough of a layer, and to the point where you just won't have that contact. And you can see this one's not tight, so that might be part of my problem. What you want to do is remove it, and you can use a wire brush or around like a pipe brush, or they actually have these handy dandy battery terminal tools as well. One goes over your post, and that cleans your post up really nice. You just put that down on there like that, and that'll clean your post up. And you can adjust this basically it's just a metal strap that goes around and it curves in, and then the edge of it rubs on the terminal itself. This one looks like it got bent a little bit. Now they are tapered because these terminals are tapered, so you want to make sure you get that good and cleaned up, and it's not too bad. Then you have this terminal, this unit here, and you want to make sure you put this in the right way. This is tapered, and you want to go in from the bottom because this is wider at the bottom, and of course this is wider at the bottom and narrow at the top. So you want to go in from underneath so you don't end up widening out the top and not getting a good connection of the whole post. So I've seen people make that mistake. They put these in the top and clean them up, and it'll end up not having as good a connection. So I just want to get this in there, and basically just turn this until you get this cleaned up pretty good, and then you're good to go. Just put this back on, and I'll get a wrench, tighten this all up, and that should solve your problem and have this thing all cleaned up for you. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos, and have a great day.